How to fix this Google account is not yet associated with any device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Play Store on a device. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Then tap on the drop down arrow. Then tap on add another account. Then tap on Google. Now wait for some time. Now enter the email address. Then tap on next. Now enter the account password and tap on next. Again wait for some time and tap on I agree. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.